Machine breakdowns brought chaos to this car manufacturing plant. Some repairs wrapped up in 20 minutes, others dragged on for days. The mystery lingered. Nobody knew why the delays happened or how to fix them. Traditional metrics asked, how busy are the engineers? Kanban changed the question. How smoothly does the work flow? Teams started tracking important metrics: cycle time, lead time, and waiting time. Suddenly, patterns emerged. The biggest bottleneck wasn't the repair itself, it was the waiting. Machines sat idle, not for lack of expertise, but because approving spare parts took too long. With bottlenecks now visible, the team focused on the approval process. By streamlining how spare parts were cleared, waiting times shrank dramatically. Repairs moved faster, downtime dropped, and the plant regained its rhythm. Managing flow revealed what activity alone could not. Improving the process means measuring the flow. Kanban transforms confusion into clarity and turns delays into progress.